Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button, and after you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen. And once you see the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the speaker icon. And if you want to turn on the silent mode, basically disable the sound, tap on this icon until you see the option called mute, basically the speaker. The icon is crossed out speaker, and now the sound on your watch is completely disabled. And that's how you enable the silent mode. And if you want to disable it, you simply open the quick panel and tap on the speaker icon, and you will have the sound or vibrate, one of the two options. And of course, once you're done, you can close the quick panel, and that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.